Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. This is TechwithBunmi, and this channel is for growth for entrepreneurs and for business owners. So if you're a business owner and you want to grow your business, or you're looking for some business idea, then this channel is for you. So what do? I'm a digital marketing consultant, a satisfied one. So if you need someone to talk to about your business, or you want to do a business and you don't know how to go about the business, just check out my description. There's a book a section with us, and we'll get back to you. So without any further ado, today's topic is on how to install WordPress. Okay, so we're going to dive into the system right now, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorials. If you're watching this and you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video to whoever needs it. Thank you. Hello tech lovers, in this video I'm going to be telling us how to install WordPress, and in my previous video I explained and I gave a tutorial on how you can get your domain name and hosting through Namecheap, and I'm still going to put the link in this video. Well, you can also check the link also in that video, because Namecheap usually give a discounted price, and the prices are so reasonable to other hosting like GoDaddy and every other hosting and domain name. I love Namecheap, so I won't really talk much about this in this video. So if you are interested, you can click on this. You can click on this video over here and watch it. Okay. So now, because I bought my hosting with Namecheap, it gave me a Cpanel code. Okay, so I'll be doing some magic now, so you need to concentrate, and I hope you gain something from this video. Okay, so this is it generated a cpanel details, which I'm going to log in shortly, so that we can install our WordPress. So watch me now. So now I'm going to be logging in into the Cpanel account, which is this. Let me see if I can copy it and put on a new. So it's asking for the welcome username and password. Then welcome to Namecheap hosting. As I said, I said I bought our hosting from them. So now I'm going to put nobody should come and scam you. So copy. This is our username. And the password. So we're going to log in. So now, I don't want to save it. This one is coming out like this. So now we are in the Cpanel. We are inside the Cpanel. So we're going to use, this is how we're going to install. I'm going to take us on how to install now. So this is our website Cpanel. This is where we can access a lot of things on our website. We access our email, your file, database, domain, metric, your security, and your software, and advanced like this. So this is where you work on the back end of your WordPress, right? Your Cpanel, the website of your Cpanel. But our main focus for today is installation of WordPress, which we're going to focus on the Softaculous app installer. Okay, so we're going to be installing this WordPress. So WordPress is the most used and most popular content management used to build websites, and out of 1 million websites builder, 60% users are WordPress. Are WordPress. So out of more than 30% of the website users on the internet, more than 30% are powered by WordPress. So WordPress, when you install it, that is where you build your website. That is where the magic happens. And you can use it, you can use it for your blog, and you can also use it for your e-commerce and the likes. You can also use it to build your school management and etc. So now we're going to click on the WordPress, and I'm going to install. So this is what you're going to be putting on your, because this is what you'll be putting. You're not going to use this, you're not going to use this, and you're not going to use this. So you use this https // then you're going to put your excuse me, you're going to put your domain name, which is this, and this place you won't put anything, because if, for example, you put something like consulting there, it's going to, when your website is ready, when it's okay, it's going to put www.fumiteblow.com consulting, which we don't want, or /consulting. I believe we just want our domain name like that. Okay, so I'm going to be removing this. You're not going to add any directory to it. So I'm going to name my site. I'm going to call it skincare coach. Then this is going to be, because this website is a skincare website, so the description is going to be looking good is good business. So get your organic products with us or from us. English. Get your organic products from us. We love to I think it's okay. Looking good is good business. Get your organic products from us. So this place, you're going to change your admin username. You're not going to use this admin username, and you have to remember your username. So I'm going to be putting this for my low underscore control. So I'm not going to change this password because our password has to be strong. So I'm going to be retaining this password. But this email, admin@fumiteglow.com, I'm going to change it because I want to use my Gmail. I want to use my Gmail account, because using this admin, I might not remember it, and I'm not used to this email. So I would prefer to use my email address, which is so I'll be putting this email address for my glow at gmail.com. Please make sure that everything you're inserting, make sure that your spelling is correct and there's no mistake. Okay? Make sure that everything is correct, and we put English, and this page we're going to put the email address again, because email installation details to Fumite. Watch this video to the end, and if you're enjoying what you're watching, kindly like, share, and comment. And there's going to be a small business I'll be supporting at the end of this video. So kindly watch it to the end and patronize them, and let them know you're from TechwithBunmi. So we've put our email here, Fumite Glow, FUNMYTE, glow@gmail.com. So yeah, I'm going to change something, because we don't want hackers to come and hack our website. You have to change it and put a very strong name. This is okay. Fumite_control. Then this admin password, I'm going to change it also. I'll change it also. I will put don't spam me. I'm going to blur this for security purpose. Success. So this is going to be, let me copy, I think, snap it. Sorry, going to do this. So after installing anything, don't click this. Don't click anything except you are French or anything. You can leave this for English, and we will install now. Every other thing you leave, then we install. It takes basically 30 to 60 seconds to upload. Yeah, so fast. So congratulations, if you installed it up to this place, then I say congratulations to you. And let's now open our WordPress to see the back end. So now I'm going to, let me see if I can copy this link. So I don't want this video to be long. Yeah, we're almost rounding up this video. Don't forget to like and comment, please. Comment. I need your comments. I love reading comments. I love reading comments. We want to open our WordPress now. So if I'm going to check my mail, I'm sure they would have sent me a mail. Is this my mail? Yeah, hopefully, let's see. So now I want to log in. You remember our name is this format. So this is our website, our WordPress dashboard. If you practice this and you got it up to this place, I will say congratulations to you. And this is where the magic happens. This is where I'm going to start designing the website and start inputting the necessary stuff. And this is where the finishing touching of a website will end. Will start and end. So this is the back end. So we've come to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned how to build a WordPress for your website. You can build it for free, okay, using my tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video and watch the small business I'll be promoting in the next view. Bye. See you in my next video. Kindly check out La Girls Kitchenette on Instagram, and they are situated at Victoria in Regina, Saskatchewan in Canada. So if you're on a visit to Canada or you're in Regina and looking for African food to eat, like proper Buka Nigerian food, then La Girls Kitchenette, I don't know if I pronounced it well, is a plug. Kindly patronize her and let her know you're from TechwithBunmi. So you eat your delicacies and you will not regret it. To follow her on Instagram. If you want to contact her, you can check her on Instagram. So this is not it's not a paid ad. I'm just doing it because it's a tradition on this channel to promote small businesses. So please kindly show her some love and patronize her and follow her on Instagram. Don't forget to